Okay, as usual now.
Okay.
This is how to put the shuttle.
Okay. So the shuttle casing is in front. Alright, she already knows those details. So the needle is facing, the rough side of the needle is facing forward.
Now see here. See here. It's going to start from here. So half. Half then.
Okay. Okay, that works.
So as usual, you put it from here.
Okay. Okay, so the thread goes from here to here to here, pass through the tension, optic.
Actually, you know, when going through the tension, you must raise the presser foot so that it opens the tension, so that the rope can go in.
Okay.
Then you can pick in the. Let's start from 0. So you can pick in the. You cannot pick the thread.
Okay, so this one is 0.
When it is in this. That is this when this dot is at the center, means that the thread will be at the center, the needle will be at the center of the presser foot.
Okay.
So you can see what I'm showing you. So if it is this one is one side, the needle is at the right. Okay. So this one controls the needle. So if you want to sew by the right, you move it. If you want to sew by the middle, then this one goes to the right. The other one is left, center, right. You understand? Okay. So I prefer it being at the center.
Okay.
Because with the center you can use twin needle.
Okay.
Which is the same thing with this now.
Okay.
So from the center you can use twin needle.
Okay.
Okay. So let's sew. So I've connected the pedal. So I mark.
So this is where the pedal is connected.
Now it's this low because
0.5.
it's on 0.5.
So
if I want it bigger, I increase the stitch length. Okay. Now this is the reverse. That is the back stitching. See, so you can see it has nice stitches.
Okay. So we're using 2 different colors for it. Okay, we've done the straight stitch.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are all forms of zigzag. But you said your interest is buttonhole. So 1, 2, 3 is for buttonhole. So this one sews. 1 sews this side. 2 closes this side. 3 you turn and sew this side. Then back to 2 to close the upside. So let's try it. Okay. So we'll move to 1.
Okay.
So 1 will sew this way. Now if you're doing buttonhole, you know it's going to be 0.5.
Yes,
if you want to turn this thing, you turn the reverse to this side, then you turn.
So that it will be easier.
See the point here that measures it. So let's try if it is button it. Okay, so we have sewn one side. Right. So you moved this to 2 to close the down side. Okay. Now you don't match much, so it has closed. Now I want this to be here, this point. So you leave the needle inside by the right, because we are now moving to 3. You turn this.
Then rotate to the other side.
To the other side. Okay, then you move it to 3. Okay, then you sew. Down to the length of where you want it.
Okay, you're sewing on top of the old one.
No.
Okay, yeah.
Then you go back to 2.
To lock up the
stitch. To lock up the stitch.
Okay, let me see. Let me get a video of what it looks like. Okay, so you can actually come down.
My hand wasn't straight.
So when someone is doing it for you, you can just let the person do it better. Just come down.
From this side.
You can also use a buttonhole presser foot also if you don't want to go through. Alright, so nothing much, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is where we reel the thread.
So this is where you reel the thread. It's working.
Do you want to test it?
Match. So this has to put like this.
Okay, so you push and hold it. Then you
just gradually hold it like this. Then you reel.
So when you're done, you push it back.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
So we can on and off here